I'm about to do something absolutely insane.
Yes, you heard me. Absolutely insane.
That's right, we're gonna buy a candle.
Wait, what? A candle? I mean, this would be no ordinary candle. No, this single candle would change the rest of my life. So of course I had to find just the right one. I searched through dozens, and that's when I saw it. Oh, no. Wrong one. Sorry, that wasn't it. And that's when I saw it. Let's watch that again in slow motion. And now let's watch it from another angle. Magnificent. Why was this candle so important, you ask? Because it marked the start of my self-care journey, during which I decided to slow down in life, to smell the roses, or I guess the candles, and start enjoying life even more.
So I've seriously never bought a candle for myself before, and I thought this could be, a great way to get a little more self-care in my life.
Or at least that's what I thought. So I put it in my bag, looked at the sale price for chicken thighs, bought all my stuff, struggled with the door on my way home, and that is when it happened.
Oh my god. So this is ridiculous. I spend like 10 minutes going into the candle aisle and smelling every single one, and I pick out the perfect one. I literally just get my stuff home. The first thing that happens is I pull the candle out, and then I proceed to drop it on the ground, and it smashes into a million pieces. Okay, let's go sit down. Yeah, so that happened. But this got me thinking, like, instead of just complaining about this, what if I just embraced when things don't go as I planned? And what if something even more beautiful can come from this? So I'm thinking, let me post on Instagram real quick. So I posted this story on Instagram, and I'm asking people if they knew how to do anything to fix this. And I got some interesting replies, like someone said, just break the rest of it. But I did get somebody who said the magic words, we can make this into a friendship adventure. So let the adventure begin.
And so it began. Introducing my friend, Kelsey.
There she is. Kelsey! Are you ready for an adventure?
She better be ready, because if she wasn't, ooh, she brought her adorable dog. Oh, this is gonna be fun.
What do you think, Doc? Is she gonna survive?
She's gonna need a face transplant.
First, we had to delicately remove the excess glass. Next, we prepared an elaborate device. Yes, perfect. Spin the thingy. The dog also helped. Up next, we used the thingy to score the wine bottle. Like cut a little line into the glass. Next, we needed some ice.
I do have ice. I also have vegetable spring rolls with edamame if you'd like any. Okay.
And that's when Kelsey found my stash of frozen grapes.
Okay, here we go.
Next, we lit a candle because, of course, you have to set the mood. Just kidding. We used the candle to heat up the line that we cut, and then get ready for something truly magical.
Okay, here we go.
And here's the ice cream.
It's under, and do it. Woo! I'd like to thank my mom, my father, my dog that I don't have, and everyone for this achievement. Thank you so much.
The dog was not amused.
Are we ready? Perfect.
We decided to make a second one, but now that you get how it works, I'll just fast forward through this part.
Submerge. Change in temperature. Ah!
Screaming is a necessary part of the process that only a professional would understand.
You might say that looks broken, but I think the imperfections are what adds beauty to life. Okay, cut.
Excellent job cutting right there. This editor is amazing. Oh my god. Ooh, I'm losing it over here. Then we took the old candle and began to melt it, which took a very, 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 very long time. Then we removed the broken glass, added the candle wicks.
This is creativity at its finest.
But then we decided to use a whisk instead. Oh, look, it's me.
Okay, so it is totally boiled.
All right, it was time to pour the wax into the wine bottle and to see how it goes.
All right, we're gonna pour this now into the wine bottle and see how it goes.
Yes, we already told them that.
Here we go. Woohoo! Yeah, Good enough.
A successful adventure. All right, thanks, narrator. I'll take over from here. As I stood there staring at the broken shards of the old candle, I was reminded that life won't always go as you plan. In fact, it'll very often send you down paths that at first seem frustrating or even defeating, but you have the power to change the meaning of absolutely anything that life throws at you.
How did we do?
So good.
Out of 10? Out of 10 out of 10?
10 out of 10. Why is there a hole?
So when my self-care candle smashed on the floor minutes after I bought it, I immediately wondered how that situation could lead to something even more amazing than I originally planned. And you tell me, which would you rather have? A handful of relaxing nights with a single candle, or an exciting adventure with a wonderful friend during which you learn something new, laugh incredibly hard,
We're gonna be touring our comedy tour soon.
and even get 2 candles out of it? Well, it's pretty obvious to me.
Woohoo! Friendship adventure complete! Alright, bye! That was just, that was so fun. Turning a broken candle into an experience, a memory, you know, something that you created together with a friend. It just reminds me that, like, that's what life is all about. Secret to happiness is letting every situation be what it is, instead of what you think it should be, and then making the most of it. So I guess when life gives you lemonade, sorry, what? So I guess when life gives you lemons, make a candle.
So the next time something doesn't go as you planned, ask yourself, how can I turn this into something even more magical?
Okay, I can't make this stuff up. This is later that night, and my glass broke. Time for another friend adventure. Oh, I have an idea. Yeah, I've got a great idea.